Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. And today we are going to be whipping up a really quick meal. Um, Typically, my people, we love us some eggs and rice, right? But this time I'm going to do a little twist on it. I'm going to make some bacon crab fried rice. So we're going to do that. It's actually my version of one of my favorite restaurants out here locally is an Asian fusion restaurant. And they make a ginger and crab fried rice dish. And so this is kind of like my take on that. So let's get into the ingredients. We have, of course, already cooked rice left over from that beans recipe last night. And we have scrambled eggs, of course. 3 tablespoons of bacon bits. A tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic here. A tiny teaspoon of ginger. Green onions to go in last. A little bit of soy and fish oil. So soy sauce is a teaspoon of that. A tablespoon, I should say, and a teaspoon of fish oil. If you don't have those ingredients around, don't worry about it. They are definitely optional because I made this plenty of times without it. I just happen to have some left over. And so with the seasoning, we're going to season the rice with, of course, Slap Your Mama, black pepper, and a little bit of onion powder there. And of course, this is our crab meat here. So I used 1 can of this Geisha here. And I just put it in there. Just let the can out to show you what I'm doing. And then I just want to wet my pan with 2 tablespoons full of olive oil there. And so I'll turn the heat on and we'll get this started. Okay guys, so I have my fire on to about medium high heat. Just want to get that oil popping a little bit. I do want my bacon bits at the bottom of the pan. Put those in there. I want that flavor to get all the way around up in there. And then I also want to put my garlic at the bottom until it gets nice and brown. And squeeze that ginger in there. And then I just want to stir it around. So you want to stir this and then for maybe about 2 minutes. As soon as you notice the garlic browning up a little bit, that's when you want to go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients. Alright, so we got that sizzle. Got the garlic almost the way we want it. Okay, now we're going to drop this rice in the pan. Okay, now I have my rice in the pan. You just want to mix it all around until you get that garlic and ginger and bacon bits all embedded and mixed in with the rice all the way through. I'm sorry, I don't have no wok, y'all. I don't feel inspired to do this too often. I just do it in a regular pan, like regular scrambled eggs and rice, or rice and eggs, whatever you call it at your house. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now I mixed in a little bit of soy and fish oil there. And I'm just scrambling it all around. And get ready to add my crab meat and eggs. And I put the green onions in at the very last minute. So I got my crab in there. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Slap Your Mama over the crab meat and over my rice a little bit. And mix that in. And everybody doesn't like Slap Your Mama. I get it. It has a little kick to it for some people. So if you just want to use your regular basic seasoned salt or large, that's fine too. But you just want to make sure you're mixing in the crab meat evenly before you scramble in those eggs. Okay, this is something that you do have to stir quite often. So don't walk away, y'all. Now we're going to make sure we get that egg in there nice and evenly before we drop the green onions in when it's about ready to come out. You can add more rice, use less egg, however you feel like doing this. It's totally up to you. It's very flexible. However you like your eggs and rice, then, just go with that. I don't like my eggs and rice wet. I like mine a little on the drier side, so I'll probably stir this a little longer before I drop those green onions in there. Smelling good, y'all. Alright, it's time. Sprinkle the green onions and mix. Add my seasoning to taste. At this point, you can turn your fire down or all the way off. It's pretty much done. Just gonna get it in there, the green onions in there, and season the taste. All right, we'll give it a second to cool off and do our taste test. All right, there you have it, guys. I could have went in with more green onions. Now let's see what it tastes like. All right, we got it all plated up. Make sure I get some of the green onions and bacon all in there. Y'all see that? It's a little hot. Ooh, that's fire. I eat this with some toast on the side. Or you can just eat it by itself. But this is good. It has a nice kick to it with that pepper and slap your mama. Well, that's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.